Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are tackling a classic coding interview problem known as the repeated substring pattern. This is a fascinating problem involving string manipulation and pattern recognition. Here is the core question. You are given a non-empty string S. Your task is to determine if this string can be constructed by taking a smaller substring of it and appending multiple copies of that substring together. It returns true if it is possible, and false otherwise. Let's look at some examples. If the input is a B, A, B, we return true because it is made of a B repeated twice. However, a B, A returns false because there is no substring that repeats perfectly. Finally, a B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C returns true as it is 4 repetitions of a B, C. Before we write code, notice a mathematical constraint. If a string is made of a repeating pattern, the length of that pattern must be a divisor of the total string length. You cannot make a string of length 12 using a pattern of length 5. This leads us to our first approach. We can iterate through all possible substring lengths. For each valid length that divides the total size, we build the repeated string and compare it to the original. If they match, we are done. But there is a much smarter, more elegant way to solve this without loops. Imagine we take our string S and we concatenate it with itself. We get S plus S. Why do this? Well, if we take that doubled string and remove the very first and very last character, we are left with a new modified string. If our original string S can still be found inside this modified string, then S must be a periodic repeated pattern. Here is the implementation in Python. It is incredibly concise. We return true if S is inside S plus S, sliced from index 1 to -1. This one line effectively checks for the rotational symmetry required for a repeated pattern. In terms of complexity, this approach is very efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because string searching is linear. The space complexity is also big O of n, as we create a new string that is twice the size of the input. To wrap up, remember that the pattern length must be a divisor. While you can check divisors one by one, the string doubling trick is a powerful tool to remember for string periodicity problems. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.